Mwariri wa mitaratara ruhonge-ini ruru rwa CMA Lukombara augite mamwe ma mogaruruku maria mararongoreria makorwo magikwo ni hamwe na guferegenya murigo wa igoti nene uria ukoragwo gitungio makambuni ni thirikari makiriria cireyarira kuingira thogora-ini ya ucenjania wa shares.
Other proposals lined up for discussions today are aimed at attracting new listings through preferential corporate tax treatment across all segments of the NSE, including the growth enterprise market segment, reviewing costs of listing, privatization of a few large cap state-owned enterprises, and implementing a risk-based asset allocation criteria for collective investment schemes.
Kugerera ndomereri yake ĩrĩa thomirwo nĩ Ombara, abithaa munene ruhonge-inĩ rũrũ Paul Muthaura niaugĩte ona gũtuĩka bũrũri nĩ ũrahobanĩrio nĩ itu inene rĩa kĩũteti, makũmbĩ macio matinakorwo makĩenyenya mũrutĩre wa wĩra wa ruhonge rũrũ.
Our market has, however, displayed resilience, with performance indicators such as the NSE 20 remaining well above 3,000 points, recording 3,752.15 points as at Friday, 10th November, compared to a low of 2,794.27 recorded on 30th January 2017.
Mamwe ma mogaruruku maria thirikari ikoretwo ikinyaniirie ni hamwe na maigananio rihi-ini wa igoti ria VAT makiria sekta-ini ya waki wa manyumba hamwe na kugacirithio kwa mutaratara wa ukuruhanu wa kibeca.
Then we also have a tax exemption on invested income from CISs. Currently we have 22 collective investment schemes registered with the authority with a net asset value of 55.5 billion, that is as at June 2017.
Wona mendekithia maya marikirira magukorwo magitengemanio mbere ya ministry ya kigina na niguo kumakuruhania hari ithabu ria uthondeki wa bajeti ya mwaka wa 2018-2019.